What more do you want from me?
Yao Wagwan people, welcome to the channel. Have you ever met a girl that has captivated your heart to the point you will do anything to get her, but nothing you do made her yours? Well, in today's story titled, Dream Girl Refuses to Marry Me, we explore a man's heart-wrenching experience of unrequited love and the pain that comes with it. So, get something to eat, grab a seat and let's hear what this man went through and how we can learn from his experience. Without further ado, the letter to the pastor reads,
Dear Pastor, greetings to you. I am living in the United States of America, where I operate a taxi. Lots of the women who travel with me are Jamaicans. Many of them are living with their men. I try to be friendly with them, but they always say that their men are very jealous, and their men will beat them. I went out with one of the women. She did so while her boyfriend had gone to Jamaica for a week. It cost me $700 to be with her. She had to keep her phone on throughout the time we were together. This man she is with has a baby mother in Jamaica. He recently got a green card. He wants to marry this woman, but he also promised his baby mother to marry her. I have fathered 3 children, but this woman makes me feel so good. When I was making love to her, I couldn't stop. Everything was in order. I can't describe to you how I felt. This woman was so tight, I wondered what she was using to be that way. I am not going to lie, I like her a lot. However, she is afraid to get married to me. I am not a violent man, but she says that this man she is living with wouldn't be afraid to beat her up and beat me up, too. I have made up my mind to get this woman, but since the man she is living with has returned to America, she has been hiding from me. I understand that he used to be a bad man in Jamaica. I recently saw this woman in a parking lot at a plaza and I asked why she is hiding. She told me she is afraid of her man. I told her I would like her to give me back the $700 I gave to her and she said that was used up. She insisted that the time she spent with me was worth more than that. She said she would give me back at least half, but I should wait on her. I told her she is a gold digger, so I want back my money. I am now friendly with an Asian girl. She is very quiet. I have decided to stick with her, but I still want to get back the money I gave to the Jamaican woman. SL.
Dear SL, take it from me, leave this woman alone. She told you that the time both of you spent together was worth more than the $700 you gave to her. You know that she is speaking the truth, because you commented in your letter what you discovered when both of you went to bed. Don't be a mama man. If you believe that you have lost out on this woman, accept your losses and move on. The woman told you that her boyfriend is a bad man. When a woman describes her boyfriend as a bad man, she is not just describing that he is wild and has lots of women. She is saying that he would beat you up and beat her also. So I repeat, leave this woman alone. You should know that $700 cannot buy her love. Why would you want to marry this woman? She is a cheater. I warn you, let the woman go with the money. You say you are going with an Asian girl. If she is unattached, treat her well and be true to her. Pastor.
Wow, that story actually went differently than I expected, but the message remains the same, guys. You can never, and I say never, buy a woman's love. You can buy sex for sure because that sells everywhere, but not genuine love, so do not waste your money thinking you will get love. Also, did you pick up on some of the mistakes this guy made? 1. His dream girl was not a single lady. Trying to marry a girl who cheated on her guy with you is likely to end in a disaster, so avoid it. 2. He had to spend a good chunk of money just to get in bed with her. If you, as a man, have to spend money just for a woman to spend time with you, it is likely that she doesn't like you, and I am not speaking about a date, even though the same can be said about that. 3. Not only does this woman have her man, but her man is a bad man. Messing with another man's girl is likely to get you hurt if you ever get caught, and today it is easy to get caught and you just might end up on the other side of life. So, be careful, or better yet, avoid it. By the way guys, If you like this video so far, and please subscribe to the channel for more real stories like this one. I checked out the comment section and some people added their 2 cents.
First comment comes from Arawak, which said, taxi driver giving a woman $700, vice spending the money on your children. Bossy, having other women is a rich man's game, and as a taxi driver, you do not have it. Go take care of your kids, loser. Hopster Barry replied to Arawak, on point. It took him 3 years to save that money but blew it in 30 minutes. Girl Wonder also replied to Arawak, actually, he is not really a loser, because he invested all $700 at Harry Bank and all he has to do now is to be patient and wait on his ROI. Arkid commented, why do some people love trouble? This man is going crazy over a woman who had sex with him for money. I am sorry, but you overpaid. Also, you said that you were friendly to your passengers, but you are not. You are harassing your female passengers. No passenger would enter a taxi and freely talk about their relationship unless asked. Apparently, you have never heard of the Me Too movement. If you continue with this behavior, you will harass the work passenger and find yourself deported. You should familiarize yourself with the word moral turpitude for immigrants. Many Jamaican men believe that they can live in the USA like they do in Jamaica. They are so wrong. Sheldon John added, sir, you paid for the woman's services, and you even stated in your letter that you had the time of your life with her, and now you want your money back? But why would any woman want to be with you anyways when you are known to take back gifts from them when things don't go your way? You sound like one of a few taxi men who knows the night hustle and bustle with the women of the nights on the streets in New York. Guarantee you invest regularly in night walkers, you are nothing but a sore loser. The saint also added, brethren, you did not say where you are from, but let me explain to you. If the woman describes her man as a bad man, run and fast too. The man probably walks with him gun. Now as far as your $700 goes, forget it. Drive some longer hours and try make it back. Leave this woman and move on while you alive. She already warned you. Bleach went hard in the comments, you is a waste, mean, good for nothing man. I would love the man find out and beat you up. Man like you must just buy sex and leave woman alone. Mr. Take it back. Arawak replied, these women are just the same. Opening their legs to useless men who they know won't even contribute to anything in the end. Omar chimed in with, that taxi driver is a fool and a mama man. Leave the woman alone because you knew what you were getting yourself into. You want to marry her because the sex was good. You're the type of man who will delete a woman and then dirt yourself when you find out that she is cheating. Captain Sparrow added, don't be a mama man. Enough said. You want a refund after stealing some Playboy bunny type from a bad man? You should be revving that taxi away from the scene as fast as you can. And the last comment comes from Maurice, my advice to you is to leave this woman alone. If her man finds out about you and that you slept with her, your life could be in danger. Contrary to popular belief, most men nowadays are not afraid to go to prison for men like you. Keep your distance.
Well guys, now you know why this man's so-called dream girl refuses to marry him. They were in a toxic situation that would never last. At least it never ended with him nor the dream girl getting deleted. Also, for those of you who are confused by the terms Harry Bank and Mama Man, these are some popular Jamaican terms which mean vagina and a man who loves to talk, respectively. With that said, it is often said in Jamaica that you should never invest in a hairy bank, at least do not invest what you cannot afford to lose, because contrary to what any woman will tell you, you will not get any ROI on that money, even if you loan a woman it. But guys, let us know if you have been in a situation like this one. Have you ever spent money on a woman and regretted it? Have you ever felt like you had to pay for it, but even after paying, you never got the girl in the end? Comment down below, and guys, while you are commenting, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and like the video. Speaking of liking the video, if you like this video, you will probably like this other video from the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love.